Hello, Mush. How's it going? Hoping you've had a good week. I'm going to keep this one quite short this week because I've got flu, so no one wants to hear like sniffles and stuff like that. It's not the best thing to listen to. But I just wanted to doodle some expressions for Cuphead because it's a game. I love the game. I've played it a bunch of times. Me and my friend Lex, we beat it, and then I've played it a ton of times since. I just love the game. I love the aesthetic of it because it's based in the 20s and 30s animation. So more 30s, I guess. But it's just lovely. It's just a gorgeous game, and it reminds me of it's super hard. It reminds me of like Mega Man and things like that when I was a kid. So yeah, I just wanted to doodle the Cuphead expressions. He's obviously got that Mickey Mouse inspiration, especially where the body's concerned. It's pretty much Mickey Mouse's body. So I was thinking of maybe drawing him as Steamboat Willie, maybe playing crazy, some of the old Mickey Mouse classics, but with Cuphead instead of Mickey. See how they go. I just wanted to play around, so that's why I did the whistling one. And after I did the whistling one, I just wanted to do a few fun poses with it, and I wanted to get them the teeth in there on the angry one, so it's like the old Bob Clampett teeth that Thingy likes to do as well. John Crisfalucci, he kind of loves that Bob Clampett style with the teeth and the gums kind of showing. And I when I go back and watch the old Looney Tunes, I love the like Daffy and Bugs that Bob Clampett used to do when he used to get angry and stuff, and you could see them, the individual teeth in there. I just really like that style. But yeah, here's them Cuphead expressions. Enjoy them, and I'll see you next week. And I'll probably do one of them Cuphead Mickey hybrid ones next week. But until next week, I'll see you later.
For a limited time, I've got an exclusive offer for YouTube viewers over at youtube.aceconnell.com. There's a link in the description if you can't understand my silly accent, where you can get both of these enamel pin badges for £10, including free UK delivery and cheap worldwide delivery, and they're usually £8 each.